Hello and welcome to the lecture series of technical communication. Today we are going to discuss about consonant sounds. If you remember, in the previous video we discussed about vowel sounds. As I told you that our English language has 26 letters which has 44 sounds. 20 sounds are only of vowels and remaining 24 sounds are of consonants. So let's get started and learn the sounds and symbols of consonants. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the consonant sounds as well as consonant cluster. So first of all, you should know that what is a consonant? Consonant is a speech sound produced by completely or partly stopping the air being breathed out through the mouth. So it is a speech sound when it is produced by completely, either completely or partly stopping the air. Huh. So when you say pa, you notice that you completely break the air coming out of your mouth, right? So these are how consonants are produced. English consonants are described by IPA based on voicing, place of articulation, manner of articulation. We'll discuss it one by one. First of all, I'll start with the same chart which I discussed with you in while discussing vowels. So in this chart, we'll focus particularly on consonants because we have discussed vowels. So I'll tell you the sound and symbol of each symbol. Basically the sound of each symbol which is of a letter. Like P in P has P, 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 B, boat, T, T, D, dog, Ch. This is the symbol of Ch sound, as in cheese, right? So this is the symbol of Ch, cheese, J, June, judge, K, car, G, go, F, fly, video. This is the symbol of th sound, think. This is the symbol of this, s, see, z, zoo. This is sh sound, sh, shall, should. This is z sound, television, sound. This is man, now. This is sound, king, sing, ring. So sound is denoted with this symbol. This is hat, love, red, wet, and ya. This is ya sound, right? This is yes. Y has ya sound. This is yes. So the symbol will be this. So don't get confused. These are symbols. These are not alphabets. These are symbols. However, some of the alphabets symbols is same as the letters. The letter like P, the symbol is same as the letter P. But others like Y has a different symbol. When the sound comes yeah, it has a symbol like this. So please don't get confused in the symbols and the letter, the way letters are written, right? So you have to learn all these 44 sounds, then only you will be able to grasp the sounds. ये symbols and sounds को आपको by heart learn करना है, and then only you will be able to correctly pronounce the words. So number one, I talked about voicing. The aspects of voicing are voiced consonants, those created by the vibration of vocal cords during production. So when I have described you the human figure, I have described you the organs of speech that are involved in voicing. So aspects of voicing are when there is a vibration in the vocal cords, then the voiced consonants are produced. And when there is voiceless consonants, right, then the absence of vibration, when the vocal cords does not vibrate, then it is voiceless consonants. The place of articulation. Place of articulation refers to the places where the air stream from the lungs or the sound stream from the larynx is constricted, limited by articulators. रोक दी जाती है जब, then it comes out from the place of articulation. Description देखो. I have already discussed the organs of speech. Now keep that in your mind and then understand this. These sounds place where bilabial is considered. Here it is produced by lower and upper lips. P. Lower and upper lips are, when these are involved, then the sounds like p, b, m, v comes out. Right? Labiodental, produced by lower lip and upper frontal. F, v. So you say it along with me, and then only you will understand that how the sounds are coming and what parts are involved in producing those particular sounds. Dental, produced by tip or blade of the tongue, the front portion of the tongue, and upper front teeth. Th, the, th, the. Alveolar, produced by tip or blade of the tongue and alveolar ridge or the gum, such as th, d, n, s, z, r, l. So please notice that where your tongue goes while pronouncing these sounds. Palato-alveolar, produced by the blade of the tongue and the back part of alveolar ridge, such as sh, j, ch, j. This is z, j, j. This is sh sound. Sh, j, ch, j. Palatal, produced by front of the tongue and hard palate, such as ya, ya. So the front portion of the tongue touches the hard palate. Velar, produced by back of the tongue and soft palate. Velam, k, g, ng, v. Right? Glottal, produced in epiglottis, such as h, h. Right? It is produced in epiglottis. Now, manner of articulation. Manner of articulation क्या होता है? Manner of articulation refers to how the air streams from the lungs is directed to the mouth and modified by various structures to produce a consonant phoneme. Phoneme, you remember? When single sound, it is the smallest sound unit, produced is called phoneme. So let us examine how these are. Plosive, the manner, plosive, here, produced by the obstruction of air stream from the lungs, followed by a release of the air stream. So same sounds, how the articulation is happening, how the air is performing. Here we talked about in place of articulation, we talked about the mouth which is involved in taking out the sounds, the placement of tongue, teeth, hard palate, soft palate, roof of the mouth, how they are involved in articulating the sounds. Now we will be talking about how lungs and air stream, this, when you feel this air coming out of your mouth when you speak, how it is coming out and what is its position. So let us see in the manner of articulation. So here, produced by the obstruction of air stream. So when you say p, so obviously the air is blocked. P, b, t, d, k, g. Nasal. Now some are nasal sounds which is produced by the release of air through the nasal cavity instead of mouth cavity, like Here the sound is coming from the nose. Fricative, produced by the release of friction-like nose created by the air stream escaping through a variant of narrow gaps of the mouth, such as v. The air is coming out but with a narrow gap. The, th, the, z, sh, z, h. Lateral approximate, produced by the obstruction of airstream at a point along with the center of the oral tract with incomplete closure between one or both sides of the tongue and the roof of the tongue, like l. So air is coming from the sides also. Approximant, produced by proximity, closeness of two articulators without turbulence. hard movement and friction like nose, like v, r, j, sorry, y. Affricate, produced by involving more than one of these manners of articulation. Firstly, produces sounds in alveolar ridge, then followed by a combined with fricative sounds such as ch and j. So this is the position per, b being bilabial as well as plosive. So here this is a diagram of place of articulation as well and manner of articulation as well, right? Now, to be precise, if we talk about how this p sound is, it is voiceless, no vibration, bilabial and plosive. B, voiced, b, you feel the vibration here. Bilabial, plosive. T, voiceless, alveolar, plosive. D, voiced, alveolar, plosive. K, voiceless, velar, plosive. G, voiced, velar, plosive. F, voiceless, labiodental, fricative. V, voiced, labiodental, fricative. Th, voiceless, dental, fricative. The, voiced, dental, fricative. You notice whenever you are saying voiced and voiceless. I hope you have understood now what is voiceless, what is voiced, what are these, because we have understood the organs of speech, and what are their manner, how the air is playing part in taking out those sounds. Now, j, here it is produced by j. J is, it's a voiced palato-alveolar fricative. Voiced bilabial nasal. Voiced alveolar nasal. Voiced velar nasal. Y, voiced palatal semivowel. Voiced bilabial semivowel. R, voiced post-alveolar frictionless continuant. L, voiced alveolar lateral. Now here, the main thing which you have to focus in consonants as well as vowels is learning their symbols, learning their sounds, and how you can phonetically transcribe those words. Like if I talk about pen, so you should know the sound of each of the letter being used here and what is its symbol. Like here, the transcription will be same because per sound, the symbol is same as p, per. A sound has a sound and n has same. So don't get confused. This is the phonetic transcription. Also remember, whenever you are phonetically transcribing any word, you have to put it into 2 slashes. Without putting it to 2 slashes, it is a normal word. When you're, it's like a coding. When you're coding it, when you are transcribing it, then you have to always put in slashes, right? Bad, b, a, d. So a symbol had, a sound had this symbol. B has same symbol. D has this symbol. T, here t and long e is coming. So we'll put this symbol. T, e. Here did, e, d, e, d. So d, small e and d. Cat, k, k. Sound is k. So symbol is this. A, so symbol will be this. And t, the symbol will be this. So this is how you're going to do. I'll do one more. This is chin. Ch, I, n. Ch, I, n. So how will you transcribe? Ch has the symbol this one. I has symbol this one. And n has symbol same as the letter. Right? June. J. Ja has symbol this. Ooh. It's the big one. So you will use this symbol. And n. E does not have any sound here. June, we say June. We so do not say June, right? Or Junie, right? So it's June. So we'll transcribe like this. जो sounds आ रही है हम उनको transcribe करते हैं ना कि letters को. We transcribe the sound June. So we'll transcribe like this. Thin, th has the symbol like this. I, no. Then the symbol is, although the letters being used is T and H, but the sound is different. Here it is tha, here it is the. So th sound, this symbol, the sound, this symbol. Then e, n, then the, n, then, right? Same as the other symbols. Vision, I'll take this one. These one are the same. Vision, j, j sound when it is coming, then you're going to use this. V, e, j, n, vision, right? Diphthongs, how, h, ow, ow, when this sound is coming, right? So, yeah, yes, I'll take this one also. Y, e, s. So, y has symbol this, e has symbol this, and s has symbol same, right? So this is a phonetic transcription, and I think it's easy now. You are going to, you definitely can solve the letters. You can even transcribe your name. You write down your name and then transcribe it. You know the symbols, you know the sounds now. Transcribe. Keep practicing, and then only you will be able to get the right transcription. It takes time. You have to practice a bit, and then you will definitely come along. Now we are going to talk about consonant clusters. A cluster is when two or more consonants of different places of articulation are produced together in the same syllable. Different places as in, when I'm saying s, my tongue is at another position, and then along with that I'm saying l, th, my position of the tongue changes. Note that clusters are determined based on the sounds, not the letters of the word, which I'm saying from the beginning, that it is not the letters, but it is the sounds. So clusters can appear in initial, medial, or final words. Like initial clusters, when there are initial consonant clusters, they are used by various consonants like s, r, l phonemes, like s and l, s, l, slip, g, r, grin, b, l, blue. So b, where is, what's the position of my mouth? L, where it changes, right? So there is a change in place of articulation. There are medial clusters as well, like regret, apply, approve. There are final clusters as well, like desk, camp, mince, fast, right? So these are called consonant clusters. Consonants was easy as compared to vowels. You just have to remember all the sounds, you have to remember all the symbols, and definitely you're going to get through in what is all about the phonetic transcription and what is the meaning of phonetics. So that was all about consonant clusters. Thank you so much and have a nice day.